Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to secure your iPhone with a passcode and Face ID but you are not sure where to enable it, how both work together or how to set it up correctly, don't worry. iPhone Settings 2026 lets you protect your device using Face ID plus passcode for maximum security and convenience. In this guide I will show you step by step how to set a passcode using Face ID on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open settings and go to Face ID and passcode. Okay, so go to settings. Okay, let's look for Face ID and password. Here is it. Okay, so if prompted, enter your current passcode or continue if you are setting one for the first time. Okay, so now if your iPhone doesn't have a passcode yet, tap turn passcode on. Okay, so you will have it here. So I don't have it because my phone doesn't support the passcode. Okay, so it has only the Face ID. So then turn passcode on. You must set a passcode to use Face ID. Okay, so choose your passcode type. So when prompted, you can choose 6-digit passcode recommended or 4-digit passcode, custom numeric code, custom alphanumeric code. Enter your passcode and confirm it again. Okay, so after setting the passcode, iPhone will ask you to configure Face ID. Tap set up Face ID. Okay, so as you can see here. Okay, so you will find it here. Okay, you can also change the password from here. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.